In this video, I'll show you how to use bullets on Google Docs. If you want to organize ideas, create a checklist-style outline, or make your document easier to read, bullet points are one of the simplest tools you can use in Google Docs. First, open your document and click where you want the bullet list to begin. Then go to the toolbar and click the bulleted list button. As soon as you click it, a bullet appears and you can start typing your first item. When you press Enter, Google Docs automatically creates the next bullet for you. Another way to do it is from the top menu. Click Format, then go to Bullets and Numbering, and choose Bulleted List. This is useful if you do not see the toolbar icon right away or if you want to explore different bullet styles. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, Google Docs supports those too. On Windows, the shortcut for a bulleted list is Control, Shift, and 8. On Mac, it is Command, Shift, and 8. While typing your list, you can also create sub-bullets to make your content more organized. Press Tab to move a bullet inward and create a lower-level item. If you want to move it back out, use Shift and Tab. You can also customize the look of your bullets after the list is already made. Click one of the bullets in your list, then go back to Format, Bullets and Numbering, and choose another bullet style. If you want to stop using bullets, just press Enter on an empty bullet line, and Google Docs will end the list. So that's how to use bullets on Google Docs. Just click the bulleted list icon, use the Format menu, or press the shortcut to start your list, then press Enter to keep adding more items. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.